Here we are at number 20, and we've got Valentino's Pizzeria. One of my best friends is named Valentino. Of course, he goes by his middle name, Jake, but, you know, I thought Val was a great name. Anyway, been my friend since 4th grade, and we still talk. He's still living back in Oregon, but great guy. Neighbors. It's like, you know, his mom was my mom was his mom. It's great to have friends like that. Anyway, he doesn't own a pizza company, though, so it's too bad. Last week, the owners tracked the number sold of each type and this is what they found. So last week, they had thin crust, thick crust, and so forth. This is all the sales. Based on this information, of the next 5,000 pizzas they sell, how many should they expect to be thick crust? So what we're looking at is, please round your number, do not round. Okay. We want to know from this information how many thick crust pizzas would we expect in the future. So what we have is we currently have 210 thick crust pizzas. What we need to do is get a percentage of relative frequency of thick crust pizzas. So what we need to know is what the total number of pizzas that were sold, and they don't tell us that here, so we're going to have to do some arithmetic. 7 plus 3 is 0. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 7, 5, that's 15. Carry the other one. We got 1, 5, that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1050. That's how many total pizzas were sold. Seems pretty good. So this is what we're going to do. Is we're going to get this percentage, 210 divided by 1050. Turn it into a decimal. And then we're going to multiply that answer times the 5,000, which will give us the number of pizzas we would expect to sell. So the percent of thick crust here, we'll take that percent of 5,000, and that'll tell us sort of what we're expecting to have happen. So this one, 210, 1,050. Find my calculator here. So it's going to shut me out. I think I can just move this over, right? So we can still kind of see it. I'll put it here. Because we want to take 210 divided by 1050. So that's a 20%, 0.2, 20% of our thick crust. So we take that times 5,000. And we've got 1,000 pizzas, 1,000 thick crust pizzas that are projected to be sold. You know what? I could have just gone maybe over here. Yeah, that's okay. We're taken care of now. So this was times 0.2, and we've got 1,000 pizzas as our answer to input. 1,000 thick crust. All right, that's 20. 3 more to go.